What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, man. I am super excited today. Yes, thank you. It's literally like Christmas. It is like Christmas, bro. Alright, so I just received a massive package. Let's get it. Welcome to my world. Let me show you. So here's my massive package. Just make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you like big packages. So I received this big ass package today from MX5 Mania. So I am super keen to open this. It's literally like Christmas. It's like my baby right here, bro. This is like my baby. It's so big. It's very heavy. But we're gonna get into this box and we're gonna see what I bought, because I bought a bunch of stuff, man. Look at this box. I can't even fit it in the frame. We're gonna hurt himself nearly. Honestly, I bought so much stuff that I can't even remember what I bought. I hope the tax man's good to me this year, because he's cost a lot of money. Open this bad boy up. What do you think I bought? What did I buy? What is it? That's really good. Does anyone else just like have it's like a guilty pleasure whenever you get something sent to you, just opening it's just like, ugh, boots. Boots. That's just what I wanted, more cardboard. Oh, I know what's in this box. Boom. Damn, bruh. Look at that shit. Look at that. Performance radiator. Radiator. So that'll be going in NA to replace the split and cracked one, which is just wonderful. That's a lot of candies. Pro tip, if you ever want a lot of candies from MX5 Mania, just spend a lot of money and I'll give you a lot of candies. Wow. That's a lot of stuff. We got 2 bottles of the .4 Super brake fluid. So I'm gonna be upgrading my brake fluid on that car from, I think it's .3, so we'll be going on a .4. It's just personal preference. I run .4 on like all my cars, so you can run .3 if you want, but personally I run .4. MX5 Mania radiator water hose kit. So that's, I believe, all the hoses for the water lines and the radiator. Definitely worth replacing if you're going to pull the engine and do something like I'm doing. Yeah, got a full kit of water hoses. We got a Trident high flow thermo, 30% extra cooling. Man, these are all just parts that if you're going to pull the engine and you're going to rebuild it, like you do it right type thing. I'm not going to be reusing any stuff because like this, I don't know. I would much rather just cop it now and replace the parts than not replace them and then they fail when I turn it over. Like, I would be heartbroken. We got a Gates timing belt. Jeez, why is that not opening? Oh, it's tape. Boom. There's my new timing belt. So I'll be doing the timing belt when I pull the motor. So with that, we also got the, what is this? This is the timing tensioner. Yeah, so we got a brand new timing tensioner bearing. We're doing a full timing service. I also got the idler bearing. So I've got the tensioner, the idler, and the belt. I should have in here somewhere this spring. So I did get the spring as well. I also got, ooh, baby, this is a good one. Boom. We got ARP bolts and studs. You know, funnily enough, ARP bolts, they're way stronger. They're not torque to yield, which means they can be reused, and they're cheaper than buying the factory bolts for the BP motors, so that's lit. We got so this is the belt for the water pump and the alternator, because I'm deleting AC and power steering, so I don't need that belt. Always replace the belts. Otherwise I'm like, and that's not what you want, man. Oh, I forgot. Got some wipers. I honestly didn't even remember that I got some new wipers. So I got some new wiper blades for the NA. That's good, man. I'm going like this is pretty much gonna be a new car when I'm done. Oh, I'm a good person. I even bought a dash mat for the NA because, well, the dash is cracked. So no one knows that there's ever cracks in the dash. Oh, that's my inlet gasket. Genuine Mazda inlet gasket. Also got 2 genuine Mazda oil filters. So 2 of them, one for the NB, one for the NA. And new timing tensioner spring. Always good to replace when you're doing timing components on these motors. Boom! New water pump. Definitely had to get a new water pump because mine is rushing out. It is coming out like there's no tomorrow. So, boom. New oil pump. I mean, water pump. Last but not least, a cheeky, genuine, boom, cheeky, genuine, full rebuild kit from Japan. So this literally has every gasket and seal for the NA 1.8 litre motors. So these are discontinued. They don't actually make these rebuild kits anymore. I got the last one, so boom. So in this you get that. That doesn't make much sense. But you know, I'm just gonna hope to God that every part that I need is in this bad boy. Boom, my box is empty. But wait, there's more. I got more stuff. So there was also a mad sale on at Repco. 5 litres of their 8-year coolant. So some genuine OEM coolant, blah blah blah. I got some gear oil for the train. I also got front brake pads, rear brake pads, and boom, 4 sparky pluggies. Because I'm pretty sure it's all, the NA's already got NGK blue leads on it, so there's no point really replacing those because they're going to be good enough, mate. But all in all, I spent a whopping, I'm not going to tell you because that's none your business. That's all good though, because you know, what else am I going to do with my money? You're going to spend it on cars. Because, you know, better than drugs, I guess. That will all be happening this weekend. So this weekend I'm going to be pulling the motor in my 96 NA. And all those parts are going to come into play because I'm going to need all of them for the cheeky rebuild. So that's going to be really fun. So in the rebuild I'm going to literally be showing you how to pull the motor, how to disassemble the head, how to disassemble the long block, how to take all the accessories off, how to replace all the gaskets, how to clean surfaces, how to do everything. So if you are keen to learn how to remove and rebuild a motor completely, make sure to tune in. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and this was probably a long one, but that's all goods. Because I bought a lot of stuff. So hopefully you guys are going to come along with this journey with me because it's going to be epic, and at the end we're pretty much going to have a brand new NA, so that's going to be lit. Anyway, huge shout out to Simone and Ajay from MX Mania for hooking me up with all these parts. And yeah, so stay tuned for the first episode of the NA rebuild series. I'll catch you in the next video guys. Thanks. This is Kyle tuning out. Later.